Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Claude Artifacts if it's not loading. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first fix, go ahead over to your profile right here at the bottom left. Click on Settings. Now go ahead over to Capabilities. Now scroll all the way down and just find Code Execution and File Creation. Make sure that this one is enabled if you want to use artifacts. Alright, now once that's done, close these pop-ups. Now go ahead and refresh the page. Find artifacts and everything should work now. Now, if that shouldn't work, a known issue involves the handshake between the main site, which is Claude.ai, and the standalone sandbox domain, which is claudeusercontent.com. Now, if you see a blank page or a page not found screen right here, well, here's what you need to do. All right. So go to the top. You'll be able to see this sliders. Just click on it besides the URL. Go to Site Settings. Scroll all the way down and find pop-ups and redirects. Okay. Make sure that this one is allowed. Click on Allow. Once that's done, close your browser. Check your date and time. Right click on it. Click on Adjust Date and Time. Make sure that both of these are enabled. All right. And once done, click on Sync Now. Close it. Reopen up the browser. And just go ahead and go back to Artifacts right here and check if it works. If that still will work, go to the top again. Click on it. Now click on Cookies and Site Data. Now manage on-device site data right here. You have a.claude.ai. Claude.ai. If you have Claude.com, good as well. All right. So what you'll do basically in here is go ahead and delete all of them. Delete. You're going to leave Google alone, but you can delete it as well. And once done, just click on Done. And after that, reload the page and you need to log in again. All right. So just log back in. And after that, go ahead over to Artifacts. And once that's done, you should be good to go. That is how you fix Claude Artifacts if it's not loading. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.